After binomial distribution, let us now understand Poisson distribution. What separates binomial and Poisson distribution is that binomial distribution describes the distribution for finite sample, whereas Poisson distribution describes the distribution for infinite sample. Both are discrete type of distributions. In probability theory and statistics, the Poisson distribution, named after French mathematician Simon Denis Poisson, expresses the probability of a given number of events occurring in a fixed interval of time or space. For example, number of phone calls received at a call center per hour, number of mails received each day, number of decay events per second from a radioactive source. The Poisson distribution can be applied for the systems with large number of possible events, n, that is number of trials, and which are indefinitely large tending to infinity. Each of these events are rare to happen and their probability is indefinitely small, that is p tending to 0. Now this n tending to infinity and p tending to 0 together forms n into p, that is lambda, a positive real number or a constant value. If x is a random variable satisfying the Poisson distribution, then its probability function is given by e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x upon x factorial, where x is the number of occurrences of a particular event, lambda is the positive real number over here, and e is the Euler's number. The mean and variance of the Poisson distribution both are equal to lambda. Let us go for some examples related with GATE exams. So here 3% of electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective. Find the probability that a sample of 100 bulbs between 1 and 3 will be defective. Poisson distribution has formulas e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x upon x factorial. Number of defective bulbs are between 1 and 3. So x lies between 1 and 3. N is the number of sample bulbs. So out of 100 bulbs, sample of 100 bulbs is given. Probability of getting defective bulbs is 3%. So 3 out of 100 is the probability P, and lambda, which is n into b, calculated as 3. Now when x is between 1 and 3 and a discrete distribution model, so x takes value 1, 2 and 3. Substituting 1 in this formula in place of x, lambda is 3 for all the terms, and here x is 2, in the third term x is 3. Calculating, we get it as 0.5975. Another example wherein if the probability that an individual will suffer a bad reaction from injection is 0.001, so probability P is given as 0.001. Determine the probability that out of 2000 individuals, so our trials is n is 2000 and more than 2 individuals will suffer a bad reaction. So our x, that is random variable, is greater than 2. Now for the sample of 2000, if x is greater than 2, then it will be calculating p of x equal to 3, 4, 5 up to 2000. So that is a cumbersome task. Instead, we can apply here concept that p of x greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus p of x less or equal to 2. So less or equal to 2 gives 0, 1 and 2. So substituting the values and calculating it 1 minus, we get our answer as 0.323.